Buongiorno a tutti! Thank you for tuning to Love Heritage Food. Love Heritage, Love Food, Love Family. Oggi cuciniamo traditional Italian Parmigiana with eggplants. Today's meal serves 2 people, so remember to adjust the quantity of the ingredients based on the number of people you are cooking for. Let's start with the ingredient for the fry. 2 big aubergines, 3 eggs, flour, sunflower oil, approximately 700 ml. For the tomato sauce, the ingredients are 500 ml of tomato passata, 1 medium onion, olive oil, salt, and basilic is optional. And lastly, 1 mozzarella of 80 grams, Parmesan 50 grams, and sliced ham if you want. Let's start by preparing the aubergines for frying, per soffriggere. Peel the eggplants and cut into slices. Beat the eggs and dip the aubergines first in the flour and then into the eggs. Submerge the aubergines into the eggs mix in such a way to cover all the flour. Now let's make the tomato sauce. Add olive oil, onion and tomato passata together in a pot. This is our light version of the sauce. The traditional version requires to fry the onion before to add the passata. Cover the pot with the lid and let it cook for 45 minutes over low heat. Check every now and then if you need to add water. In the meantime, let's fry the aubergines. Heat the sunflower oil in a pan. Now, a trick to understand when the oil is ready. If you have a long toothpick, dip it in the oil, and if you see bubbles, the oil is ready. Fry the aubergines both sides for a few minutes, revealing a gold color. Add some salt to the tomato sauce. We decided to add some water to thin the sauce. Now that our sauce and aubergines are ready, let's start seasoning. Spread the tomato sauce at the bottom of a non-stick pan. Quick sidebar: manage the amount of sauce in proportion to the quantity of aubergines you have. Arrange the aubergines by overlapping them slightly over each other. Add Parmesan, mozzarella. Here you can add the sliced ham if you want. Spread more tomato sauce again. This helps to keep moisture. Cover this layer with the last of the aubergines. Apply more sauce and add Parmesan on top. You can also make an extra layer. Now place it in a preheating oven for 30 minutes at 190 degrees. La nostra parmigiana è pronta! Buon appetito! Please consider subscribing to the channel for the light version of this meal and to watch more of Rosa's recipes. Please leave the comment below and see you Saturday!